Materials. Now you have to decide what materials you need. This seems pretty simple, but sometimes it's surprising. There's little tiny things sometimes you need, sometimes I've needed a fan brush but forgot to bring it because it's not part of my usual repertoire. So it's better to write it down. So what materials are they going to need? Who's providing them? If you're giving the workshop through an agency, do they provide the materials? Do the students provide the materials? If the students provide the materials, you may have to provide a list for them that you give to the agency, and they give it to the students so the students can go buy the supplies before they come to class. As well, who pays for the materials? Do you buy the materials and then get paid back? Does the group pay the materials? Those are all things that you have to consider. Cost is a factor. If the students can't afford the whole list, and some can't, you have to keep that in mind. What options can you offer them? Can they get away with buying just 3 colors? Or just 1 chisel? Or, that kind of thing. So keep that in mind. Another example is you can pair up people so they can share supplies. They can share chisels, they can share a Dremel or other tools that might be more expensive. This helps cut costs, and it also helps them make friends. It's a good way to do it. So here's your task. List all the materials you will need. Do you need all those materials right away? Or can you get away with less materials? If you provide the materials, how will you distribute them? Are they allowed only 1 brush each? 1 little squirt of red and 3 squirts of yellow? That kind of thing. Write it down. Figure it out. It really helps when you're to get your class organized.